Since morning we have been seeing Dean sir. He is the main pillar of this institute, and it is with his vision that the ESI will grow and achieve new heights with cooperation with the faculty members, the new students, and as well as the faith of the parents in him. Divided into 3 phases: phase 1, 2 and 3. Phase 1 is preclinical, phase 2 is paraclinical, and phase 3 is all the clinical subjects. Now phase 3 is divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, and you have to clear all these 4 parts to get a MBBS degree following your internship completion. So coming to the faculty of phase 1, now the first department and the most difficult department and the most happening department is the Department of Anatomy. You learn what are the parts, and you will be learning the section under their guidance, and it is headed by the most dynamic faculty. Professor Dr. Saif Omar sir is the head of the Department of Anatomy. Then we have a very good assistant to her, Dr. Kumari Ayushi. And we have senior residents who, although their slides are not due to the constraint of time, but they have 2 senior residents, Dr. Radha and Dr. Pratika Kumar. Now coming to the biochemistry department, all the chemical reactions which are taking inside your body, these will be taught you by the biochemistry department, and you will be learning what is going on right inside your body, what are the chemical reactions that are going right inside at this time. And this is being headed by Professor Dr. Selva Kumar sir. And Dr. Sudhanshu Shekhar sir, he is the assistant professor in the department. And we have 2 assistant professors in this department, Dr. Neelam Kumari, Biochemistry and the very fine officer for state admission. Then we have the senior resident, Dr. Prakash and Dr. Vivek Anand. Dr. Sunny Singh is another helping hand as senior resident in the department. Now coming to the Department of Physiology, the department where the circadian rhythm is maintained. It will teach you how the clock goes on in your body, and this is being headed by none other but our MU coordinator and registrar, Professor Dr. Pandurang Nahare sir. Then we have the view and the smiling face of our department, Dr. Bala Subramanian sir. He is the professor designated. Professor, myself, Dr. Manjulata, and the other one, Dr. Sandeep Kumar. We have 3 residents in our department, Dr. Deepmala Sinha, Dr. Amita, and Dr. Gaurav Sinha. Phase 2, here we will be just introducing you with the faculty members and not the residents because of constraints of the time and their interaction with your body and how the drugs act. This is being headed by Dr. Meher Darshan ma'am. She is the assistant professor and in charge of the department. And we have Dr. Suraj Paintal sir. He is also the associate professor right now. And coming to the pathology department, whatever disease you have, it will be seen on your slide, everything, and that is very happening. You will see under the microscope all the disease types. That is being headed by Dr. Vimal Kumar Gupta, the associate professor and head of the department. Dr. Vimal Saha Dalal, assistant professor. Dr. Priyamvada, assistant professor. She is also in charge of blood bank. And Dr. Sukriti, she is another member as faculty to pathology department. Dr. Sukriti, assistant professor. Coming to the microbiology, all the diseases you have, all the germs you have, they are detected by this department. So this is being headed by Dr. Anima ma'am. She is superannuated and she is the senior most faculty at our institute, and she is also the nodal MCC chairperson. Then we have Dr. Rakesh Kumar, associate professor. medicine and toxicology. This is a very dynamic plan. It will deal with all the law and medical legal aspects, and it will teach you what are the ethics, what are the laws which you will face if you do anything wrong or something like that. So this is our life-saving subject and you have to be dedicated to this. This is being headed by Professor Dr. Sangram sir, Dr. Hanumanta sir, and Dr. Avinash. He is also the verifying officer for All India quota. And to interact with the family, and there is a family adoption program too. Each and every student has to adopt a family. Dr. Abha Rani, assistant professor, and Dr. Neha Chaudhary. Then coming to the ophthalmology department, we have Dr. Ankita Singh, the dynamic ophthalmologist of ESIC, who has conducted so many, who is the head of the department and associate professor. Dr. Manish Narayan, Assistant Professor. Dr. Brahmadev Kumar Sir, CMO. Then Dr. Jwala Kumar, he is a permanent ESIC employee. Now, presently he is pursuing DM cardiology at IGMS. Sir. This is all. Then we have the SR Kumar, Associate Professor and Head of the Department. Dr. Sudeep Kumar Kar, he is the Assistant Professor in the Respiratory Medicine Department. Then we have Dr. Abhay Kumar, the Chief Medical Officer in the Respiratory Medicine Department. Then coming to Department of Psychiatry, these all subjects may come under General Medicine Alliance. We have Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Sudeep Azad, who is heading the Department of Psychiatry. He is the Assistant Professor and in charge. In Department of Dermatology, that is skin, it also works here. And Dr. Aparna, she is in charge. She is the senior resident in this department. Then Department of Surgery and Allied, we have these departments which is the backbone of the hospital work. All the surgeries cannot be done without anesthesia department. So see how important this department is. One of the faculty members is the dean ourselves. Followed by the MS, all the dynamic administrative people, they are from anesthesia. Then we have Dr. Vishwanath Ankat, he is the head of the department. Dr. Vishal Jagor, he is not present at today, and he is in charge of the Department of Anesthesia as well as all the OT services. Then coming to General Surgery Department, Dr. Jain Kumar Deshmukh sir is the Associate Professor and Head of the Department at ESIC for Department of General Surgery. Then Ganesh Pal sir, also one of the faculty in the Department of Surgery as well as the registrar of the DNB section. Then we have Chandradeep Muda, he is the Assistant Professor and Emergency in charge. Dr. Ashwini Kumar, he is the PRO of our institute. Dr. Anshu Adria, he is the laparoscopic surgeon at our institute. Then coming to the Department of Orthopedics. Orthopedics is very important for ESIC because it deals with the occupational diseases and all the road traffic accidents. They are all being dealt here. So this department is another important department at ESIC institute. This is being headed by Dr. Megha Pawar sir. Followed by none other the dynamic Dr. Neeraj Narayan Singh, the Associate Professor. Dr. B. Vijayan, he is the Assistant Professor in the same department. Now coming to physical medicine and rehabilitation. Anything which goes wrong and which cannot be cured, it can be rehabilitated by this department. Dr. Sanjay Kumar, the young, the dynamic, Assistant Professor and in charge. Then we have the Department of Dentistry on the first floor, B block, where you can get your teeth shine and all your dental problems solved. have Dr. Arpita Kolwal, who will be looking after your dental hygiene. With a helping hand, dental hygienist Shyam Prakash. Then comes the Ops and Gynae department, the attractive department for the female students. This is being headed by Dr. Manisha ma'am. Dr. Ismat Khanal ma'am, the very experienced personality in the department. Ismat ma'am. Then we have two very proactive assistant professors, Dr. Suman Kumari, Dr. Sangeeta. Then coming to the pediatrics department, the Bagli department, we have Dr. Vaishali Pani ma'am, who has said is very smiling every time. Dr. Sujata Kumari, PM. Dr. Mukesh Kumar Shah, IMO. And then coming to the radio diagnosis department, the CT scan, the X-ray, the MRI. This is being headed by Dr. Karthik Diya, who is the Chief Medical Officer at USAID. Now we also have super specialty department running part-time and full-time here, and the departments are cardiology, neurology, urology and plastic surgery. And the specialists here who are working are in the cardiology department, we have Dr. Nishant Kumar Abhishek. In neurology, we have Dr. Abhishek Kumar. In urology, we have Dr. Gaurav Mishra. And in plastic surgery, we have Dr. Pranav Kumar working as our faculty member in super specialty department. In pediatric surgery, we have Dr. Deepak Kumar. And that's all the introduction to the members of faculty in the administration as well as in hospital services and academic section. Thank you very much.